How to change lock screen password on OnePlus phone. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search button located at top right corner of your screen and then search password or simply search lock screen. You'll find lock screen passcode. Click on it. You'll find lock screen passcode. Again, click on it. After that, you'll need to add your recent password. After that, you'll be able to see all these options to change. Simply click on the one you prefer and then type in your new lock screen. After you're done, press on next. Again, re-enter your password and press on confirm. After that, you're good to go. This is how to change lock screen password on OnePlus phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.